Do you want to send high-quality or HD photos and videos to your friends or family members in WhatsApp? So if you send a photo or a video in a WhatsApp conversation, but it ends up looking blurry or low quality and you're tired of that, then I'm going to show you how to send a HD, crispy version of that. The first step that you want to do is to make sure that your WhatsApp application is updated to the latest version. So open the App Store if you are on iPhone or the Google Play Store if you are an Android user, and make sure that WhatsApp is updated. After WhatsApp updates, you want to open any conversation, and then we'll send a photo to someone. We'll tap on the camera icon to open our photo gallery and simply select a photo which you want to send. When I select a photo, it's going to open this little editor where we can customize some stuff before sending the photo. You want to click on this button that looks like this. It has an HD text and a little gear icon. That's going to give us an option to send the photo in a standard quality or HD quality. You can select the HD quality and your photo won't be blurry anymore, and the person is going to see it in crispy, clear quality. This will also work for videos, but keep in mind that it won't send 4K videos in their full resolution. It will only send an HD version of them. If you want a tutorial on how you can send those videos in full resolution without quality loss, I will leave the video link in the description of this video so you can watch it from there. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.